Oh no, mine's falling apart. Oh no! Logan won!
Logan's world.
Hey guys!
Hey guys!
Okay, so today we will be doing a really cool, fun toy review on the new cotton candy. This is from our great friends at ZURU.
Yeah! Thank you, ZURU.
These are awesome. So thank you so much, ZURU, for sending us these. So it says they're scented, fluffy, stretchy slime inside of them. And we have 4 different kinds. We have purple, yellow,
Pink and blue.
yeah! So excited to open these. It says includes surprise cutie inside.
Yeah!
So stretchy, so fluffy, smells sweet. Oh, we're so excited. Which one do you want to open first?
This one.
The pink one? Okay.
I opened that one over stretchy one.
I'll open the yellow one as you're opening that one, okay? Gonna pop it. Oh, you did it! Oh my gosh! This really cool slime. It says it's fluffy slime. Okay, here we go. I opened it for you. Here's the yellow one. I wonder what's inside. What does it feel like? Ooh, how does it smell?
Good.
Good? So guys, this stuff is really cool and it's not that sticky. It's a really cool slime. It's really fun to play with.
Mommy!
Oh, it's so cute! Can you squish it? Oh, I love it!
This is it looks like.
Oh, so cute. Oh my goodness. All right, let's try. Why don't we try the pink one now? Does that one smell like lemon? Oh, I think the small ones are just slime. So the little ones actually don't have a little toy inside.
Look, Mommy, where's that toy?
Oh no, where'd it go? There it is. So the small ones only have this stretchy, fluffy slime. And the large ones have a really cute little squishy guy. Goes right back to its normal self. So cute.
And this is what it looks like.
Close. Kind of like the Smashers, right? Okay, so Logan, do you think this smells like grape or bubble gum?
It's a bubble gum.
Let me smell. Oh, that was so good. I think I like the bubblegum one the best. Yeah, bubblegum's my favorite. Guys, look at this. Look how stretchy this is. You stretch one and I'll stretch one. Which one do you want to stretch? That one? Ready, set, who so you can go longer. Okay, try again.
Let's do this one. The other one. There.
Ready, set.
Not yet.
Okay, I'll start again. It is so fluffy. I love it.
Now go.
Oh, I won! Okay, we have one more. And I think this one is the grape. Okay, so guys, since this is a big one, there's also a little cutie in there. Woo, you did it. I'm so excited. This is gonna smell like grape.
Take the one.
Wait, did you smell it? What does it smell like? Grape?
Smell it.
A little bit, great. I wonder what the cutie is in there. Guys, look at that. So cool.
It smells like nothing.
Doesn't really smell like grape?
It smells like nothing. This is how I break it. Another one.
No way. Which little cutie is it now?
It's the same one.
Same one? No way. Guys, we got the exact same one. What? It says here that there's 6 slow rise cuties free to collect. That is so funny. We got the same one. Here, let's take a look. Look, guys. So funny. Out of the 4 different fluffy, stretchy slimes, which one would you say is your favorite?
There was 2 for me.
This one? The pink one? Okay. My favorite is the blue one. Okay, now let's race. Which one do you want to race with?
My favorite.
Okay. So what we're gonna do, wait, when I say go! Switch it as a ball first. Like a ball. And then you can stretch it really slowly, okay? So guys, here we go. We're gonna race to see who can stretch it the longest.
Me.
You ready? Go slow. Set.
Go.
Go. Go slow. Oh no, mine's falling apart. Oh no! Logan won! Oh my gosh, look how cool it is. When you stretch it, it actually looks super cool. It looks like cotton. That's how fluffy it is. Look, guys. Look at that. It literally starts to look like cotton. Ah! Okay guys, we want to thank you so much for watching our video. And we want to thank ZURU for sending this amazing fluffy slime with little cuties inside. Do you have fun?
Yeah!
Okay, thank you guys. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. Bye guys.
Bye. Look at this. Woo, guys, woohoo! This is really cool. This is really cool. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe. See you soon. Bye.